From oyster farms to fishing piers, North Carolina's Crystal Coast is full of opportunities to enjoy seafood straight from the source. Let's join producer Linda Wynn as she makes a stop on North Carolina's Oyster Trail and discovers some of the people and flavors that make the coastal region so special.
Summer in North Carolina, so we're heading to the coast, the Crystal Coast that is, where we hopped on a farm tour with Seashore Oyster Company.
So we are passionate by what we do, and we also try to share that love and passion to guests. So we offer farm tour in the summer month. The adventure begins in Beaufort at the boat ramp. We pick up our guests, and then we go for about a 30-minute scenic boat ride on Taylor Creek. From there, we arrive at the farm, and then Maxime will explain to them the process of farming. But the best part is we teach them how to shuck their own oysters. And then at the end of it, then they can enjoy as many fresh oysters as they would like. Cheers! Cheers! Yes!
Les amoureux qui ne se parlent plus.
We branded our oysters Frenchies. First, in honor of our French-Canadian roots. As you can hear, we are French-Canadian. But also because when we moved here, Maxime and Amy didn't speak, English. So all their buddies at school were called them Frenchies. As you can see, it's an oyster and it's like a moose antler. So they are technically represent us. They are in honor of our French-Canadian roots. And also a farming heritage.
This might be a silly question, but how is your French roots in these oysters?
Well, I just speak French. I speak to them all the time in French. Je vous aime, mes amours. I speak the love language to them.
You're like, no, Linda, you're overthinking it. You're French. And while you're enjoying Frenchies, you might discover a little surprise inside an oyster.
So the pea crab is technically its own species of crab. So it grows in the oyster. It's technically a parasite. So when there are the size of plankton, they get inside the oyster, sometimes as the oyster is feeding, and then it's going to grow with the oysters. So they're kind of roommates. They cohabit together. They don't hurt each other. They eat the same food. So they're just buddy-buddy. Yeah, and they will never leave the oysters. They just remain in it. Once they are in there, they stay in there. For me, working with my children, it's easy. We share same goal. We have the same mission. We also share the challenges, but it's also not being alone in it. I'm older, so I have a lot of different experience, but Maxime is the little engineer in the family. He can tweak anything, can make it work. So I'm like, this is where we're going, make it happen. And he does. He does a really good job at it.
It gets rocky sometimes, but most of the time it's very enjoyable, and I love to work with my mom and what we do. I think our relationship is really good. I mean, I might call mom 10 times a day, but it's always about different things. It's not just about business, but like mom's my best friend, so it doesn't change anything. We still hang out, we'll still go have dinner, I'll still come over. Business is business, and then family time is family time.
For more coastal fun, you can go fishing off Oceana Pier in Atlantic Beach. Oh, how fun! I love that sound.
As soon as I hook him up, I'm gonna hand you the rod.
Okay. You trust me?
Yeah. Linda's got one.
I'm a weak person.
That's a deal with this. Keep them coming, keep them coming, keep them coming.
Okay, I did it.
Yeah, he's a keeper, you believe.
After fishing, lunch is steps away at the Oceana Pier House restaurant, where we had fresh ceviche, smoked fish dip, a chuleta con pork chop, and a fried soft-shell crab sandwich. There's plenty of good eating and good fun to be had at the Crystal Coast this summer.
Seashore Oyster Company offers guided oyster farm tours on North Carolina's Crystal Coast. Tours depart from 229 Willett Drive in Beaufort. The Oceana Pier House Restaurant is located at 700 East Fort Macon Road in Atlantic Beach. For current hours and menu information, visit oceanapier.com.